What's up, everyone? Just Jason here. Welcome to a little bit of a different video. Tonight, we're going to start a new series of chaffle videos. I'm going to call this the Wheel of Regret, for lack of a better name. A couple of weeks ago, I put a post on my community tab asking viewers to submit, what they thought might be unusual ingredients for chaffles. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to use a random comment picker. It's just a wheel that spins and picks a comment just to come up with our next chaffle video recipe, see what we can come up with. So we did get a few entries. So I'd like to thank everyone that did participate in the community post. We did have lots of fun comments, and people seem to be looking forward to this series for better or for worse kind of thing. I have done videos like this in the past, sort of a will it chaffle video using ingredients that I didn't really think would work, but ultimately a lot of them did. So this is just something new we're going to get into in the new year. So tonight is basically the first night we're going to spin the wheel. So I just wanted to go over some of the comments I received from viewers. We'll share a screen here. And this is just showing the comments that came in. I'm sorry if you can't maybe make those out, but we had a few comments. Kendra from Consume the Goodness, great supporter over there. Her suggestion was peanut butter and pickles, probably the one I'm looking forward to the least. But, interesting nonetheless. So that suggestion is on the wheel. We had Loretta and Jason off grid suggested tomatoes, onions, green peppers, and feta or cheddar cheese, which ultimately isn't really, I'm not going to consider that too unusual of ingredients for our chaffles, but it was suggested, so we're going to put it on the wheel. Matt and Mouse, another great couple of supporters, suggested curry chaffles, which I've thought about doing in the past. I've just never gotten around to it. So that's cool too. And then Lynn, one of my longest supporters on the channel, also goes by 22QCat, has suggested sardines. Now I've done sardine chaffles in the past already, but I'm guessing we can probably come up with a new version of them for this this series. So that's on the wheel too. And last but not least, Jerry from Carnivore Jerry, she suggested anchovies, which again was another ingredient that I wanted to try eventually. So ultimately, I think that one actually might turn out pretty good because I personally like anchovies. I know a lot of people aren't gonna, a lot of people are torn between whether they like or dislike anchovies and sardines and stuff like that, the small fish, but I personally like them. So looking forward to that. So really this video tonight is all about, spinning the wheel for the first time. And then we're going to do that whatever the wheel picks, that's what we're going to do for our next recipe, basically. So as you can see, I've got the 5 options loaded on the wheel here. This is just from wheelofnames.com. And we're going to let this random comment picker choose what we're going to do for our next recipe. So without further ado, let's give the wheel a spin and see what we're going to do. Okay, it looks like Matt and Mouse and their crew. That's cool. So I'll be tagging all the channels and commenters in these videos, and hopefully you'll watch along. I'm really interested in doing this. I'll probably do like a curry chicken chaffle. That was my thought in the past. So Maybe if you have some suggestions on what the best way would be to make these chaffles, leave a comment down in the comment section there, and I'll be sure to read those comments after the video is posted. So that's about it for tonight. Again, something new and exciting, hopefully, that everyone finds interesting. Some people aren't going to like the ingredients, but we're here to find out what works in chaffles. So far, with over 100 chaffle recipes, I haven't really found anything that doesn't actually work. So maybe this little experiment will finally find something that we should stay away from. So that's about it for this video. Hope you follow along. If you want to see what happens with these recipes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get notified when these recipe videos come out in the future. So that's about it for tonight. Keep on thriving, my friends.